So as you can probably tell, Glencoe. Oh dear. How the hell did I roll down that? Yeah, Glencoe today, just a solo ride. Couldn't convince anybody to come out with me. Oh wow, I don't even know if you could hear any of this. So I'm here actually on a Friday. I've got a nice day off from work, and unfortunately I couldn't convince anybody else to come with me. High line. But on the flip side, with it being a Friday, the mountain is very quiet, and the views, oh man, the views are just something else today. Now, we did have another quite large rainstorm just last week, so this weathered course I fully expect to be even more weathered than before. So I have to be very much on my toes, like here. And I just got to remind myself, first few runs are always the worst. You're waking yourself up, you're waking the brakes up, and you're waking your confidence up. Man. Now it'll be interesting to see what the audio's like on this. I have changed up again, so I'm still using the same dictaphone to record the audio. But I've relocated the position of the microphone, which is a lot closer to where my mouth is. Oh, you bum. And I actually do have a GoPro right on the chin bar of this helmet. It's not my big posh helmet that I've got, but it still has a chin bar protection. So I'll be very interested to see what the audio comes out like on this. If it's any better or any worse. And then, depending on how the battery goes for the Karma grip, I may either use the Hero 5 Black on the chin, or I might swap the 7 onto the chin, because I'm not going to run two cameras just now. I think you get a reasonable view from my belly / chest. Yeah, but I am interested to see what the video quality is like from the chin, because, well, I mean, the Hero 9's out, and with the ultra wide lens, or the max mod I think they call it, in linear mode with horizon flattening and all the blah 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 blah, it's meant to be the next generation of gimbal killers, so it would be nice to not have to carry a gimbal, and just a GoPro and plenty of batteries would be comfortable. Especially if I could then get it with the media mod and then just run the microphone directly in. Now, I'm trying to convince myself that the real reason why I'm stood here is because I'm enjoying the view, which I am, but I'm scared. Oh. Down we go. Try and navigate across. That's it. Thanks guys, thanks for filling in that hole. Round one, done. Okay, change your camera angle. Let's try the Hero 5. I want to see what difference having a chin mount makes. There's definitely a difference in first run nerves, getting them out of the way. But some of those rocks are remember, drop your heels. Why did you stop? Definitely throwing my weight around on top of the bike as it's trying to throw me around. Right, take a break. That was a lot more successful. Nice. Okay, that was good. I enjoyed that descent. Just had a nice big lunch. I will give them one thing. Their portion size is... yeah, they're huge here. And do a few more runs down the red. Last uplift is at 4:15. Don't know if I'm going to stay all the time, but I'm going to give it a good go. I'm enjoying myself, but got to remember, here to enjoy yourself, not to kill yourself. But, oh, it's a beautiful day. I just cannot get over how gorgeous this is. It's like September, it's the middle of September. And it's a beautiful day like this. I'm in short sleeves. What's up with this? Thank you, Scotland. Oh, anyway. Nobody enjoys me waffling on. Let's go and do stuff that we all enjoy. Ride the bikes. Let's see how badly I do at this. Got there eventually. Cheers, man. Cheers. Okay. So I've swapped cameras over to the Hero 7 Black on the chin, just so I can see how they perform differently. Drop your heels. What kind of route was that? That came up on me far too quickly. It's alright, you're in no rush. I always struggle around these corners anyway. It's a bit much for me. I do a bit of mix, so I've got a Canyon Strive for more cross-country stuff, but it's nice to get out on a bigger bike and abuse the arms. That's what's getting most of this punishment. You'd think it's the legs through all this, but no, the arms are just... It's fun, honest. I keep trying to tell myself that. Alright man, have a good one. Cheers. Ow. Well, I was thinking of doing another one after I just jimmied my wrist there. I'm not so sure that's a good idea, because I'm meant to be riding tomorrow with Matt, and he wouldn't be too happy if I had wrecked my wrist. So you've had gimbaled chest mount, you've had Hero 5 on the chin mount, and then you've had the Hero 7 Black on the chin mount. I'm as interested as probably you guys aren't in the results as to how good it looks, because yeah, you never know, I might get the Hero 9 Black with the max mod if this footage is half decent, but I've had a whale of a time. It's only been 3 runs, but look at the weather. What an awesome day. Till next time guys.